Our journey begins with the ancient civilizations that thrived in the region known as Nigeria today. Among them, the Nok civilization, flourishing since 500 BC, is renowned for its intricate terracotta sculptures. These early societies laid the groundwork for the powerful empires to come. From the 9th to the 19th centuries, Nigeria was home to powerful kingdoms. The Kanem-Bornu Empire, known for its strategic trade routes, the Oyo Empire, recognized for its democratic governance, and the Benin Empire, famous for its exquisite bronze art, were all centers of political power and cultural sophistication. Each of these empires contributed to the rich tapestry of Nigeria's history, with their influence still evident in the nation's art and governance systems. These empires left indelible marks on Nigeria's cultural and political landscape. During the Transatlantic Slave Trade, Nigeria played a central role. Its shores bore witness to the forced departure of millions of Africans, forever altering the fabric of its population and culture. This period left a profound and lasting impact on the country. In the late 19th century, Nigeria came under British colonial rule. This era was a significant juncture as it saw the amalgamation of northern and southern Nigeria in 1914, a defining moment that stitched together diverse ethnic groups under a single banner. The colonial rule brought about sweeping changes, impacting the socio-political fabric and economic landscape of the region. It was a period of considerable transformation, often marred by tension and struggle. This period laid the groundwork for the modern nation of Nigeria. Nigeria gained independence from Britain in 1960, but the path to stability was challenging. Just 7 years later, the country was plunged into a devastating civil war, as the southeastern region sought to secede, naming itself the Republic of Biafra. For 3 grueling years, Nigeria was torn apart by conflict, marking a dark chapter in its newly independent history. The war's profound impact still resonates today, shaping the country's political and socio-economic landscape. Despite these challenges, Nigeria persevered and continued to grow. Post-independence Nigeria faced numerous challenges. The young nation grappled with political instability, ethnic tensions, and economic fluctuations. Despite these hurdles, Nigeria's spirit remained unbroken, and it stands today as the most populous country in Africa, demonstrating its resilience. Today, Nigeria is a vibrant and diverse nation with a rich cultural heritage. It has made significant contributions to music, literature, and especially film, with Nollywood ranking as the world's second-largest film industry. This is the Nigeria we know today, a country with a rich history and promising future. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the incredible history of Nigeria in just 3 minutes. If this piqued your interest, do explore further. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more history insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.